Welcome, in front of me I have LG LED Smart TV, and today I'll show you how you can soft reset this device. So basically you have to just unplug your cable from the electricity. So I'm going to make it right now. As you can see, our TV just shut down, and right now we have to wait for like 10 seconds, and after that plug it back to the electricity. So just make it. As you can see, after a few moments our TV is switched on back. And right now we are able to use our TV another time, and basically that's how the soft reset looks on this TV, on this device. So if you get any problem, maybe your TV just freeze on one of the window or one of the inputs and you cannot make anything, you can try to make the soft reset. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.